Folks, we have a very special guest for you tonight. I'd like to introduce...
Hi everyone, today we're going to be making a cardboard marble run. You're going to need cardboard, tape, glue, scissors, marble, or a small bouncy ball, or pen and pencil. So we're going to be making this today in honor of Earth Day. Cardboard is made from very thin sheets of craft paper, and it's typically 3 layers of it. Then they mash it all up, glue it together, and that's how you make cardboard. We want to recycle cardboard so then it saves the trees, so then we have more oxygen. Less trees equals less oxygen for us, and we don't want that. We want as much oxygen as we can get on this earth. And it's just something fun that we can do, and afterwards you can still take apart your marble run if you want to and take it to the recycling plant.